Hello everyone. Today I'm back to do a virtual tour of the Sale-a-Bration catalog or brochure. And you can see that mine is a little thick here because I have a lot of samples that I'm going to share with you as I go. So if you missed it, be sure to look for my video where I did the virtual tour of our new July to December mini, what we all are used to calling holiday catalog. There's a whole separate video where I walk you through and show you samples of this catalog. And this has fall, Halloween, Christmas, lots of holiday occasions that are coming up. Lots of products in there for you. So today, let's focus on the Sale-a-Bration brochure. So this promotion started August 3rd and goes all the way through September. And you might be used to this if you've been around Stampin' Up! For a while. You're used to this being first thing in the year, like in January. We had a Sale-a-Bration period in January, and now they're doing another one. So instead of 3 months earlier in the year, we have 2 months earlier and 2 months later, which is awesome. So let's go through and talk about the products in here, and then I'll explain how you get these products for free. So first, we have this bedazzling 6x6 specialty paper. There's 8 sheets. It shows you samples in the actual catalog. And then this is a card. I did a card swap with other demonstrators. And this is one that I thought just did a great job of showing that bedazzling specialty paper. I think it's really picking up that shimmer on the video here. So that is one of your options. Another option is this Penguin Playmates 12x12 designer paper. What's really cool about this is that it coordinates with the Penguin Place bundle. So in this book, it says page 33. So we look here on page 33, there it is. So here's Penguin Place stamp set and punch. So there's this bundle in the holiday catalog. You can order that, a couple other things, and you'd qualify to get this coordinating designer paper for free. This card I liked because it only uses designer paper. So these images here are just cut out from the designer paper. So you can still do cute things with this, even if you don't have that bundle. But it sure, would be nice to have the bundle and just have it all coordinate. But this is just a really cute card. Just with the designer paper. Okay, your next option is this stamp set that says Feels Like Home. And this is a card that I received in the swap that's made with that. So lots of really, really detailed line art here, but you can color it and leave it more monochromatic like this, or you could color it in a variety of ways and really add a lot of color to that image. Another option is the beautifully penned 12x12 designer paper. This coordinates with the hand-penned petals bundle that's in the annual catalog. And then this designer paper, being that it's all black and white, you can add color to. And that's what they did on this swap. So this bottom sheet right here is what this is, but then just adding a little bit of that yellow to the center of the flowers just really makes that pop. So you can leave it black and white, or you can add color to it. All right, the next is Peaceful Prints, which is a designer paper. Again, it coordinates with a bundle, which is awesome because everything is just working together. This one coordinates with the Peaceful Deer bundle, and that is also in the holiday mini catalog. What I liked about this card is it shows you that dazzling specialty paper again with this deer. So it's just punched out with that specialty paper, but then down here you see the designer paper that's part of the Peaceful Prints package. So that is another option for you. This one, Counting Sheep. This is just cute. So Counting Sheep, you've got the stamp set, but you've also got the dies as an option. So you see it says free with $50 purchase on each of these. So if you do a $100 order, you can get the stamp set and the coordinating dies for free. And this is a card that I got. This is actually some of that designer paper that I just showed you. And then the little sheep cut out with the die there. I've been playing with this one a little bit and did really cute things with the fence dies too. So stay tuned, you'll see more of that one. Okay, another option is this stamp set called Textures and Frames. And there's this card here that shows you, just adds a little bit to the background there. Lots of things, lots of options you could do with that one. This one over here, okay, you're going to notice it jumps here from free with $50 purchase to free with a $100 purchase. And so if you have a $100 order, you can choose 2 of the $50 items or 1 of the $100 items. So it gives you a little flexibility there. Now these are summer shadow dies and they coordinate with the shaded summer stamp set. So the stamp set, the image that you're seeing here is from the annual catalog, but then the die is what cut that out. Same thing with this here. This is actually the same image. Look how different it looks. Monochromatic with the yellow versus stamped in black and then some bold colors added on there. Same exact image, 2 very, very different looks. Your next option is the Delicate Dahlias. This is also a $100 option. And again, I brought 2 cards in because I wanted to show you simple monochromatic stamping the line art image, or this detailed image here gives you much more depth. Same stamp set, very, very different looks. That's the Delicate Dahlias. So those are your options. So this whole entire book, while it coordinates with things from the annual catalog or the holiday catalog, everything in here is for free with purchase, whether it's a $50 purchase or a $100 purchase. And then, like I said, if you do order 100, you can choose 2 50s or the 100. So that's the first thing. You get free products when you order. Now, let's say that your order, you're really stocking up and your order gets to be $300 or more. You're also going to get this stamp set. It's a 10-piece stamp set. It's called In Your Words. Obviously, all greetings, and that's free with the $300 order. Now, that can be your personal order, or it can be where you order a couple things and you have a friend or 2 that orders a couple things. But when the entire order is $300, you're going to get that for free, in addition to your free choices here and Stampin' Rewards. So let's say you did a $300 order, you're going to get up to 6 of the Sale-a-Bration choices, because that's for every 50. You're going to get the free stamp set, and you're going to get $36 in Stampin' Rewards to spend on whatever you want. So you can order and get free. You can gather some friends and have it reach 300 and get even more free. Or I want to tell you about your best option and why it's your best option right now. So you can purchase the Stampin' Up! Starter Kit for $99. That's always the price. You pay $99 plus tax. Shipping is always free, and you get to choose up to $125 worth of product. Anything you want. It can be from the annual catalog. It can be from this holiday catalog. You get to choose up to $125 in product. And then going forward, you get at least 20% off all of your future Stampin' Up! Orders. Here's the bonus during Sale-a-Bration. You don't want to miss this. It's on the bottom of page 19 right here. When you join, when you do that starter kit during August or September, you're going to get to choose $125 of product for $99 plus tax. It'll ship for free. But you're also going to get to choose a free bundle from the holiday catalog. So there are 12 different ones listed here, and you can choose any one of those 12 for free when you purchase your starter kit. And that's only during this Sale-a-Bration time. So that is a really great added bonus. You know, depending on the bundle, you know, that could be a $30, $40 value added to your starter kit. So those are your options. Order at least 50 and get something free. Stock up on things or gather some friends and get your order up to 300. You'll get additional benefits. Or your best bet is to join. This is the best value for sure. Always has been, always will be. Join for $99, choose $125, get the free bundle extra right now, and then you'll also get the discount on all of your future orders. Okay, if you have any questions, be sure to reach out. And remember, Sale-a-Bration is the rest of this month and all of September. Have a great day.